In this video, we will go over the installation of the Fighter Mini LED. This product is made for UVC coil cleaning of mini splits and PTAC units. Here we have our Fighter Mini LED box. Inside is a QR code that leads to the manual, the LED driver, magnetic door switch, 4 UVC LED bars, input power leads. In a plastic bag, we include zip ties for cable management, the magnet for the magnetic door switch, double-sided sticky tape to adhere some of the parts, magnets for the LED bars, a screw for the magnetic door switch, and a UV irradiation warning label. The first step is to take the driver and flip it over. Use 2 to 3 pieces of sticky tape to adhere the driver to a place in the unit where it can be hidden but allow the door to fully close. That the driver is adhered to the inside of the door, and we've tested that the door is still able to close while the driver is attached. The next step is to install the magnetic door sensor. We are going to use a piece of double-sided tape on the back to attach it to the unit. Here we have attached the magnetic door sensor to the inside of the unit. Now we are going to take the magnet for the door sensor and use the tape on the back to attach it to the door so that when the door is closed, the magnet makes contact with the sensor. Here we have attached the magnet to the inside of the door and it lines up with the sensor attached to the inside of the unit. Now we are going to take the 4 UVC LED bars and the magnets to attach the LED bars pointing inwards on the inside of the filter and the magnets on the outside of the filter to keep them in place. Here we see the 4 LED bars facing in on the coil and the magnets on the outside of the filter holding them in place. The last parts of the kit are the zip ties to handle any cable management after installing all the parts. We recommend putting the caution sticker on the outside of the door to warn anyone of the UV hazards before working on the unit. You can use the included screw instead of sticky tape to attach the magnetic sensor if the unit will allow. The last part of the install is powering the mini LED fixture. This product is universal 120 to 277 AC voltage. It can be powered by an external source or directly off the input power to the unit. Here we have the unit install complete and the LED bars powered and functional.